As I said, as a video before, we have Sergeant Clore, and we have parking enforcement. There he is. There he is. Look at him. Look at him, getting it done. Yeah, he's getting it done. Getting that shit done. Getting it done, Michael. Fuck yeah. Yep. Feel me, Sergeant Clore. Glorified fucking meter maid, you ask me. Yeah, feel me, Michael. Been violating my fucking rights forever. Look at that fucking waving piece of shit. Yeah, you famous, bitch. We're gonna see you on the stand, Michael. You're gonna be on the goddamn stand. You're gonna answer those fucking parking tickets. Me and Michael go way back. We're talking 5 fucking years. Ain't he something? Yeah, ain't he something? Look at that. Yeah, ain't he something? Look at him. Look at Mr. Clore there. Look at him. Ain't he something? Yeah, he's something there. Welcome to the plaza. Clore's Plaza. I don't know if you can feel the energy in my fucking voice right now. Alcoholic cops coming after this fucking sober alcoholic. That's a stupid, fucking insane ass thing to do. I've been filming your every goddamn step for 5 fucking years. I can show the progression of alcoholism in these cops. It's that bad, folks. Or I'm just that goddamn good.